Hello viewers, welcome to Core for Any. If you hear new, hit subscribe buttons and notification bell so you can never miss any our incredible content. SwiftUI taxi driver app inside. Today we need to call this here the driver car list. We need to set this here. We need to with API callings. First of all, we need to write down here the API. We need to go first of all the globes file and we need to put this here the API names needs here. First need to copy this here these names, need to paste this here, and now need to change this here the name car list. Like this we need to set this here, and then after need to go inside the car view models and to configurations are the needed here, and to one more publisher methods need all these here the publishers where's car list area. Like this sets here the car list, and now need to develop here the get car list API. Need to call this here functions. This here now need to copy paste this here. Now need to no needs any parameters. We need to here the API name car list, and then after so need to set this here the car list array. Give this here no needs now, and to configure this here car view model and set this API callings are the done. Now we need to go inside the my vehicle screens, and we need to configurations are the needs here, and to call this API data. Now we need to remove this here these lines needs here this here's declares here table object this here the observable object, otherwise we need to get this that object like this. Both one are the some difference between the these variables but work are the same. Now to assign this here our view models dot share, and now also need to let's set this here the RVM this here. Now need to get this here like this value need to set this here like this value need settings here, and to now on to this here the API here the car VM dot car list API need this here. Now we go hit driver profiles and copy these alerts, and we need to put this here my vehicle. At VMs, and to send this here the message we need to set this here like we need to configurations, and now need to go here go to definitions and to set here configurations, and to now we need to need this here the WSD SwiftUI need this here is lazy loadings for the needs one library. You need to go here and you need to import here. First of all you need to click on ads and to open here the URL. Need to use this URL, copy here this git URL, and to put this here the package. And to find out here this package and to install this here WSD web image SwiftUI need to install here, and to add this package here are the needed here. Now importing here this package and to add inside our projects. Now adding done, and to use this package for the lazy loading image loads, we need to use this package. And now need to go inside the my vehicle screens and to get this here our UI. We need to configure here the image. We need to call this here import web image with UI. We need to call this here and to write down here and we need to bring object at this name our list. Find out here name, car image. These parameters we need to copy here. Paste this here. Now need string. Uh, Also need to configure size up, and after so need activity is now need to now need to this here. Also need to now we need to set here, and now then after and we need to set here save these files where you now need to run inside the. So please write down the comment sections and I will help you and sort out your run. Now this is the running here and to now need to go inside file image. Now need to get this here the create vehicles. You need to get this. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new here, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any question, so please write down the comment sections. I'll help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.